When we want to create a new composition, we can click on the new comp button. Title, we always want to give it a name. Call this one new comp. You do not want to have a bunch of comps with just numbers. You won't know what's going on. Down here under preset, we're going to choose a preset. We can select, and mostly what we're looking for here is the frame rate. We're going to do everything in 1920 by 1080 this semester. And for our purposes for animation, we're going to use 24 frames per second. But other countries and other markets use different settings depending on what their needs are. Again, in here, we can double check width, height of our image. This will tick to lock it to the aspect ratio. If you want to make a perfectly square comp, you will need to uncheck that, and then you can set that to whatever you want. Frame rate here, we'll double check is 24 frames per second. And then here we can set the duration of the clip. Now we can extend the clip at any time we want, but it's a good idea to have a rough idea of what you're doing. So I usually set it to somewhere around 5 to 8 seconds, depending on what I need. And then just a reminder that this background color is just going to show up to help you see where the frame is. It's not actually going to be rendered, so you can change that to whatever you want. If you were working with a lot of elements that were black in color, like a lot of dark text, you might want a lighter colored background to help you see that a little more clearly.